How to fix game bar not working in Windows 10 or 11. So if your game bar is not working in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is simply you need to open up your settings application. Just click on your settings and open up your settings. Once you're here on the settings, you need to go for the left, which has gaming option. Click on gaming and then you can go for a game bar, which is on the first option where you will have the controller and keyboard shortcuts. Go for the game bar and under the game bar, make sure that you have turned on the game bar. Once you've turned on, now your problem might be fixed, and once you've seen if it's activated, now the another thing to note is that in the full screen games, the game bar is not showing, but that doesn't mean it is not working. So in full screen games, you can use the combination of Windows plus Alt plus R to start or stop the recording. And of course, those recordings will be saved in the default location. But if you cannot record and stuff like that, and there is a problem with the game bar, I think the helpful fix in that situation is to reset the Xbox app. Using the settings application, just click on settings. And once you're on the settings, you need to go for the applications or apps option. And here you need to simply go for the application and search for the Xbox application. And once you search for the Xbox game bar, you need to simply go for the right side, which has that three dots icon, and go for advanced options. And under advanced option, if you scroll down, here you will have reset option, right? If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So if you want to reset or repair, then you need to simply click on repair and it will work. Or you can go for the second option, which is if this app still isn't working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. So you can go with the first and you can try to fix that. You can simply check that. But if it still doesn't work, then you can go for the second reset and reset your Xbox, and it will remove all of your app's data. And you will also have terminate option. So immediately terminate this app and its related processes. So you can also go for the terminate and you need to terminate your Xbox game bar. Once you've done all of these, now you can remove that and then make sure to restart your device. And once you restart it, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your game bar not working in Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.